Hello, hello, it's Tina from Tina Hoy's Art. Thanks for joining me today. We're going to be creating some fantastic paper fans with our stencils and gel plate. Today I'm using Stencil Girl Stencil L929 Stone Stack by Jane Monteith, which I love. And I chose this particular one because of the big cutouts, and they work really well with what I wanted to achieve with my paper and my pattern. So we're using our gel plate, first layer lift, and then I'm putting on a second layer with a different color. So a tone on tone kind of color or a contrasting color, and lifting that as well. And then to add some shimmer and shine, I'm adding some Liquitex Gold. That's very translucent, and it lifts the pattern that we have. Now, a reminder to rotate your paper because you don't want to lift the pattern the same way you lifted it originally in the previous lift. So we want it in a different location altogether. So there we have that. And now we're going to cut the paper in half to create our fans. If you want to create a big fan, you can leave the paper as is in one long sheet, but I like mine small and cute. So here I'm folding it horizontally and about half an inch of width, and that would make it a wider little fan. And if we fold it vertically, then it would be a longer, leaner fan, and I will show you that version as well. Once it's fold it in half and trim the edges, and then we're going to tie off the center with our string, and I'm just using some twine here to tie mine off. Now I should mention that when you're tying off, you want to be able to see the paint pattern, so that would be on top, and in the middle we're going to glue the inner sides together as I did here. Then you unfurl it, and this is an option. You don't have to do this part, so I added some clear glue and glitter, or a glitter glue pen, whatever you have on hand, excuse me, will work. And I think it's fun and festive when you add that glitter. All right, so the glitter's done, and at this point we can tie it off and leave it as is, but I'm adding a little wooden bead just to add that extra special touch, and our first fan is complete. And I'm just going in showing you how to do the vertical fold as well. And at this time, I'd like to thank you so much for stopping by and watching me create this little fantastic fan with my Stencil Girl stencil products. For more inspiration, please visit the Stencil Girl Talk blog at stencilgirltalk.com. You can find myself on Instagram at Tina Hoy's Art. Also inspiration at Stencil Girl Products on Instagram, as well as here on YouTube. I thank you all so much for stopping by. Please like and subscribe and share to somebody that would love to create a fan. And I appreciate you.